As the plane descends onto the main island of Tahiti, a sense of anticipation fills the air. Below, the azure waters glisten beneath the warm Polynesian sun, a tantalizing preview of the breathtaking journey that lies ahead. The moment you step off the plane, you're welcomed by the intoxicating fragrance of exotic flowers, a delightful introduction to this idyllic corner of our world. The short flight from Tahiti to Bora Bora is nothing short of a visual feast. As you soar above, a canvas of turquoise waters unfolds beneath, revealing coral atolls and tiny islets that seem to float like emerald jewels in the vast Pacific. As Bora Bora draws near, the iconic Mount Otamanu rises majestically from the heart of the island, standing sentinel over this enchanting landscape. Upon landing, a boat transfer awaits to whisk you away to your overwater bungalow. This journey across the crystal-clear lagoon serves as a mesmerizing introduction to the aquatic wonderland below. Schools of vibrant fish dart through the coral gardens, while gentle rays glide gracefully beneath the surface. Checking into your overwater bungalow feels like stepping into another world. The thatched roof, glass floor panels, and private deck open up to the endless horizon, creating a cocoon of comfort suspended above the tranquil waters. This is not just a room, but a window to the surrounding beauty that Bora Bora has to offer. The warm lagoon beckons. Snorkeling gear in hand, you plunge into an underwater realm teeming with life. Colorful coral gardens play host to an array of marine creatures, from clownfish dancing between anemones to elegant sea turtles gracefully gliding through the currents. As the day matures, the rugged crags of Mount Otamanu cast long shadows over the island. For those with adventurous spirits, a hike to its heights offers a breathtaking panorama of Bora Bora's intricate landscape. The sense of accomplishment mingles with the awe-inspiring beauty of the setting sun. With the day transitioning to night, the beaches come alive with the soft glow of tiki torches. Sand between your toes, you join a beachside gathering, exchanging stories with fellow travelers. The sound of gentle waves and shared laughter intertwines, creating a melody that encapsulates the laid-back, welcoming spirit of the island. Dinner unfolds as a culinary journey through Polynesian flavors. Freshly caught seafood, tropical fruits, and traditional dishes tantalize your taste buds. A glass of exquisite French wine in hand, you savor the delectable creations while moonlight dances on the lagoon, casting a romantic ambiance. As the night deepens, the island's social scene comes alive. Live music and traditional dance performances offer a window into the rich Polynesian culture. Whether you choose to join the festivities or opt for a quiet moment on your private deck, the night sky above reveals a blanket of stars, a celestial encore to a day in paradise. As you retire to the comfort of your overwater bungalow, the lull of the gentle waves beneath provides a soothing soundtrack to the dreams that will undoubtedly be filled with the magic of Bora Bora. This day has been a seamless blend of adventure, relaxation, and cultural immersion, a testament to the allure of this tropical haven in the heart of the Pacific.